To connect BitMart to Goat, you need to understand that Goat is a platform that allows you to track and manage your cryptocurrency portfolio across multiple exchanges, including BitMart. Here is a step-by-step guide to connect BitMart to Goat. First, you need to create an account on both BitMart and Goat if you have not already done so. On BitMart, you will need to generate an API key, which is required to connect to Goat. To generate an API key, log into your BitMart account, navigate to the account settings, and click on API Management. Create a new API key by giving it a label and enabling the necessary permissions. It is recommended to only enable the permissions that are necessary for Goat to function properly, such as read-only access to your account balance and transaction history. Once you have generated the API key, you will need to copy the API key and the API secret. These will be used to connect BitMart to Goat. On the Goat platform, navigate to the Exchanges page and click on Add Exchange. Select BitMart from the list of available exchanges and enter the API key and API secret that you generated earlier. After entering the API key and API secret, click on Connect to complete the connection process. Goat will then sync your BitMart account data, including your account balance and transaction history. It is essential to keep your API key and API secret secure, as they grant access to your account data. If you suspect that your API key has been compromised, you should regenerate a new one immediately. By following these steps, you can successfully connect BitMart to Goat and start tracking and managing your cryptocurrency portfolio across multiple exchanges. This will provide you with a comprehensive view of your holdings and help you make informed investment decisions.